And in the meantime, the Exchange server is rebooting. We will go back to Active Directory and have a look. As we had discussed, the in the configuration partition of the Active Directory, we have these two containers created post the Exchange setup installation. One is Exchange, Microsoft Exchange, other is Microsoft Exchange Auto Discover. Under Microsoft Exchange, I had given this, while running the setup, I had given this name as an organization name. So it has created the Exchange organization since it was very first Exchange server of this environment, with the same name that I had provided. Under this, we have a lot of things. Uh, Especially, we'll look into administrative group, Exchange administrative group, and this container is important because it has the information of all Exchange servers present in the environment, databases, and all the DAGs. So if there was a DAG in this environment, it would have created an object over here in the Active Directory configuration partition. So this is one of the changes which happens, a major change which happens after Exchange installation. Other thing happens while Exchange setup prepares the organization with prepare schema, prepare AD, prepare domain. It creates certain groups which are required for Exchange management. We can find those groups in Active Directory. So this container has all the administrative groups that Exchange servers requires. So setup while preparing the organization creates all these groups which are required. Since Exchange now has it has been installed, let's see what we have in our checklist. This is the prerequisite and this is installation. Now we have the post installation tasks. So we have already verified the groups created for Exchange server in Active Directory. Now we'll go ahead and launch Exchange Management Shell and console. Also we'll log into OI and ECP and send a test email using OWA. So let's get back to the Exchange server and verify those things. Exchange Management Shell and Exchange Management Console, both are launched. This is one of the post installation tasks of Exchange. Now we'll test if we are able to log into OWA and ECP. While testing the OWA, we can either go with localhost or go with the IP address or go with the the host name of the Exchange server. So this is just for testing purpose. We don't have the internal and external URL for OA ECP set yet. Hence, we are doing the OA test with this URL. We are now successfully logged into the OWA. To go to ECP, we simply need to replace OA with ECP. It will redirect automatically. And using ECP, we can manage some tasks being an administrator of an email organization. This is what the ECP of Exchange 2010 looks like. Over here we can manage these many things: user groups, roles and auditing, mail control, phone and voice. Now let's go back to the OWA and try to send a self-test email. Since this is a lab, it may take a while to process this email because we have a low resources allocation on the server, the virtual machines. But in real environment, real server box, which will have a lot of resources available, this will not even take a second to appear. Now that we have received this test email, that means the Exchange email flow is working and we have successfully installed the Exchange server. That's it for this video. In the upcoming videos, we will go through some basic tasks such as creating a mailbox database, creating distribution group, creating mail contact. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you already don't have subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification of the new video. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.